Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Let's see, today I got some IPSY. Well, this is not like a glam bag or anything like that. No. This is stuff that I purchased, add-ons, pop-ups, whatever, where they let you go shopping that has nothing to do with the glam bags. So I got some goodies in here, and you know, some interesting goodies. So if I do say so myself, these are 3 items that I purchased. I know you guys know this. You're starting to know it. I love headbands. And that's because I have curly hair. And there's nothing worse than having curly hair in your face, in your eyes. So I love headbands. Look at how pretty. This is like that, that material, the wool. It's by Simple Satch. Fashion meets function. Good hair days only. Knotted headband. And it's polyester and cotton. That's what I'm looking for. But it reminds me of that wool, that texture that your grandma was wearing back in the 50s. And it's got these little pearl. You see those? Those little pearl dots. They're on each side. So you got the little pearl dots on this side and on this side. The one thing that I do like, that I can, and why I like to wear the headbands like this, first off, I do like the knot that slips from side to side. This one does not happen to do that. But when you put it on like this, I do have to have, because of the injuries to the right side of my face, the padded. So I always have to kind of look to make sure that they're, you know. And I already tried this one on. It fits fantastic. It doesn't really go with my outfit tonight. Well, first off, there's a tag on it. Whoops. See, it doesn't go with the outfit. It just doesn't. It'll go with whatever else I would. Now my other headband's all messed up. Lord Almighty. Okay. So anyhow, it doesn't go with the outfit. It's okay. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. We'll get past it together. I got this as well. I know you guys are thinking, did you get suckered into that? Yes, I got suckered into it. I've been suckered into buying things like this 3 times. It's kind of getting annoying. I got a humidifier over here from Glow Addict. It's another beauty box subscription that I had for the like 2.5, almost 3 years. I canceled last month. It's another story for another day. Okay, so this is by Revive. It's Revive Light Therapy, Purify Your Skin. And it is a Sonique Mini Wrinkle Reduction 3-minute treatment. Cleanse, reduce, enhance, and experience. And now it does look like this inside. This second silicone head, this one here, which is the massaging one that has the knobbies on it. These little knobbies. Okay, that one is way down in the box, and I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, so it has a little cup that this thing sat in, because this is about as far as you may look. Okay, now keep going. In there is where you're going to find this. But this one has those little soft, you know, real soft little bristles. And so you can, they do different treatments. Then there's this. Now, here's where the lights are. And that's where your batteries go. And there you have red. There's no vibrating yet though. That's slow. That's faster. Hold it down and it turns off. So it actually times itself when you're doing the treatment. And then you can just switch whatever head you want. I know I'm explaining this entire thing to you guys when in total reality of it is I'm sure you'll read the directions. But I'm just trying to tell you why it took me a little bit of time to figure out what was going on. because some of the stuff was not as clear as, you know, I'm just trying to save you guys a little bit of getting mad. You know how we get mad at everything when we go, this darn thing didn't do this. But if you watch somebody's video and they kind of give you that information and then you realize, oh, okay, I'm just trying to help you out. And then I love their jewelry. I know it's costume jewelry. I'm a huge fan of costume jewelry. My mother was a huge fan of costume jewelry. I have real jewelry that is really nice, and I mix it up with my costume jewelry and nobody knows but me. Okay, so I'm just talking and opening things up. I do that all the time. Okay, designed with love in Venice, California. So designed with love. I love this. It's like a pajama. It's made out of like pajama material. It really is. It's a soft pink, like kind of like this, but it's made out of like soft pajamas. And this is Jules Smith. Okay, so it was a set of 2. They were the necklaces. Do you remember these, you guys? Okay. So this is the one that has the dual chain on it, and it has a really nice little clasp. The good thing about clasps, if they break on any jewelry that I have, my son can always fix it. It's really light. It is not real gold, okay? They're just, but they're pretty. You wear them for an occasion, and when you get home, take them off. And the reason why you do take them off, I'm going to tell you right now, is if you're using lotion or perfumes, this color comes right off. And I mean, it will come right off. Look at that. So it's like a dual necklace. And then the second one, so I know that these are they're not gonna hang very low. They're gonna probably come to about right here, because they're almost like a choker, right? But look at the little hearts on there. And they're pretty. And like I mentioned before, you know, like this. However, you can put them together. You can wear them one at a time. I would probably wear them one at a time. But my point is, be careful when you wear something like this, especially if they're gold plated. But they wear right off. And next thing you know, you have green all over your hands and, you know, your wrists and your neck. So when you wear it for the occasion that you're going to. As soon as you come home, take this, be the first thing you take off. That's all I'm going to say. The only advice I can give you, take it off right away and don't wear them for more than a couple hours. Be careful if you wear them out in the sun. When you start sweating, the finish comes off. All right, you guys, that's it. That's everything I bought from the IPSY add-on. So thank you very much for hanging out just a little bit of time. And I'll see you in my next video, whatever that video may be. Take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you click on to the next video, okay? Bye, guys.